Hey there! Are you tired of the constant grind, feeling like you're always running on empty? Let's talk about hustle culture and how you can escape the burnout trap. Hustle culture, born from the American dream and the tech startup boom, glorifies relentless work and productivity. The idea is simple: work more, achieve more. But here's the catch: it often comes at the expense of your well-being. Many believe that more work equals more success, that rest is unproductive, and that personal life is secondary. This has led to a burnout epidemic, with over 51% of workers experiencing burnout last year. Burnout isn't just feeling tired. It shows up as chronic fatigue, irritability, and even physical symptoms like insomnia and headaches. You might find yourself withdrawing from friends and family, or feeling constantly anxious and detached. So how do we break free? Start by setting boundaries. Define your work hours and stick to them. Prioritize high-impact tasks and take breaks, both short and long. Develop healthy habits like eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, and getting plenty of sleep. Don't forget your mental health. Practice mindfulness, whether it's journaling or deep breathing. Seek support from friends, family, or a therapist. And most importantly, be kind to yourself. Take it from Kathleen Byers, a former executive who moved to the Virgin Islands after experiencing severe burnout, or Kritarth Mittal, who was hospitalized due to overwork and now emphasizes health over hustle. Remember, success doesn't require sacrificing your health and happiness. Challenge the hustle culture, reclaim your life, and redefine what success means to you. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on personal transformation.